somebody just like you.
Ooh, look at that.
Oh my gosh.
There we go. Oh, I got it.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Oh, caught that one on camera. Welcome to another episode of JKV Outdoors. There's a fish on my screen right now. I need to get back down there. Today, I'll go ahead and show you everything that's new that I have for this year. Stay tuned.
There's multiple fish.
Yeah, there's a lot of fish from that
I
day.
know.
So we are in the new Otter flip over. This is the Otter Cabin, not the Pro. This is the one with the bench seat. And I have everything set up. I don't have anything at all new to this. All I have is everything that came from factory. And then also I have the Hyfax under it. And then, you know, I got these brackets installed right now, kind of janky with electrical tape. I do have these bar lights that goes on here. It's magnetic bar lights that you stick on and you turn on and off. Here are the lights. This is with it off. Just a heater there. This is with it on. Pretty bright in here. I really like it. You know, it doesn't really get in the way. Yeah, for sure. This is very strong here. You know, just magnetic. Yeah, once again, that's my electrical tape that I just wrap around. I didn't want to drill holes in here just in case I want to do other things with the bar, so did not want to ruin the bar. One touch of a button here, turns on. You hold it, dims. Press it once, turn off, double tap, changes color. Here's one, which is pretty bright still. And then here's two. It's pretty cool. I like it that you could just grab it, you know, use it when you're outside, and then, you know, stick it back on magnetically, and you could tilt it, you know, back or forward. So it's pretty good lights. If you guys are interested in this, I'll go ahead and put links down below. These lights run 10 hours on full power, and you know, you could plug in a Type-C charging cable and keep it charging all day. If you have a battery pack, something like this, you could definitely go ahead and plug in the Type-C into it and charge it and have it run all night. But for me, I don't plan on staying at night too much, so this is definitely something good for someone who wants to, you know, have some light that, you know, isn't built in, and you don't have to worry about, you know, battery boxes and carrying another box. This is lightweight, portable. This is why I love it. But also, you know, I think if you want to run it all night with a battery pack like this, you know, just a USB plug in here, if you want to run something like this, you definitely can. These things will last forever as well. But I'll go ahead and put links down below for the battery pack and for the light bars as well. These light bars are awesome. Once again, I really like it because I don't do too much fishing at night, but you know, for those times that I do want to stay a little longer during the night, before heading home, or when I'm getting here super early in the morning and there's no light out yet, you know, I'll definitely go ahead and throw this up and use it until sun rises, and then I'll open the windows. But yeah, these lights are very cool. There'll be links down below. Make sure you check those out. And then we have this fun little toy here. This is the Markham Pursuit. I tried using it, you know, the other day. I don't know, I don't think I was able to do it correctly, but I have it this time pointing directly to us in our holes. This is Mary's shiner right there, so you can see that there. So there we go, and this is my new setup for this year for my ultralight. This is a tuned up custom rod, bullwhip 32-inch from Shields, the Shields edition white. And then I had the 13 Fishing Black Betty Freefall in white as well. I haven't used inline reels before, so this is my first year trying it out. I love this tip, high vis tip, very sensitive. I don't need a spring bobber anymore. Loving the reel. Reel feels really nice, especially when you're, one-handing everything. You just drop it in and just jig. So that's what's new for this. Let me go ahead and show you what else I have. Oh wait, that's my tip up.
Oh my gosh.
Oh. Isaac, tip up. Isaac. Isaac. Isaac, tip up. Isaac, come record me. I got a tip up. Ain't nobody helping me.
How do I record?
No, it's already.
Okay.
I have a shiner on this one. It's a good fish. Really good fish. Maybe come closer.
Okay.
Come to the hole.
I don't see anything on the screen.
Oh, right here.
Oh my gosh. I don't see anything on the screen.
Oh, yes.
Oh my gosh. Oh my
I
gosh.
got a pike. It's recording, babe.
Okay.
Woo.
That's so big.
That's a good one. All right. Here we go. Nice little pike. Go ahead and let it go.
That's a big chomp.
It's fine.
Oh my goodness.
Teeth poked me. But I'll be good. So here it is, the new Otter flip over. I love this thing. Still have the pop-up too. I'll be using this most of the time, staying mobile, but the pop-up we'll go ahead and use it for an relax once we can drive out. That way we could just camp out one spot.
Do you usually get pikes?
No, not here. This is the first year I've... Ooh, there's a pike, baby!
Oh my goodness.
Oh, be careful, be quiet. Dude, there's a pike that came from Mary's shiner.
What do I do?
Nothing, just hold your rod.
I am.
Dude, there's a
I'm
pike.
scared.
Oh.
I'm so scared. He's quiet.
No, it's still sitting there. Yeah.
I'm gonna hand it to you. I can't do this.
Oh, you could do this. That's a good sized pike.
Let me put my Rice Krispie right away. My heart is racing.
Yeah, isn't it crazy? Oh. It'll be so stupid if it goes for mine. Yeah. This is a good sized pike. No, they just take forever to eat. That's why we leave tip up. You know? You gotta jig it a little to get its attention. Jig it for you. Jig it for you. Take it out. Make sure everything's perfect. Oh, it went away.
Darn it.
chase it, your bobber will go.
Am I holding it correctly?
Yes, just hold it like a normal fishing rod.
Okay. What are the steps again?
Nothing. You just gotta.
Wait. Oh shit, that's just...
Look, he's gonna go for it. He's gonna go for it. This is gonna be so cool. No. No. What? What?
I didn't do anything.
I know. He just took off. No. Oh my gosh, I'm sweating so much.
All the build up from the thing, it's like completely gone.
I know.
Is it right there?
No, it's gone. So weird. That's so cool.